Hello coders, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll see how to read from a file, from a text file in C. As you know, while dealing with the any real-time code, we are often dealing with files, and those files are in the format of config files, state files, okay, and also the data files. So our first operation is how to read from that file. So for that, we use an API named as fopen. So we'll see first the syntax for fopen. So it would be file star fp is equal to fopen. Then we have two parameters of open. So first is the file name that I want to open. So for example, I have the file name as text file dot txt. And the second parameter to fopen is the mode, whether we are opening this file for reading or writing. So for now, I'm going to open this file as read mode only. Okay. So only the reading operation will be done from this pointer, and this pointer contains the location of this text file. Okay, and this file is a structure in glibc in studio.h that contains the metadata related to these text files. So whether it is, file operation like fd, then we have, the location of the data, like the pointer, at which point position we are reading in the file. For example, we are reading from the 10th position within the file. There is some text and we are going to read it. So that all the metadata is stored in this structure, and this structure is a part of Studio. Okay. So once we call this fopen, we are getting a pointer to this structure. So this structure we cannot access directly. Okay. So this file pointer, and using some system APIs, we can access this file through this pointer. Okay. So if we are opening this file, we need to close this pointer as well. As we already know, in case of pointer, we use fclose. Okay, and here we have fp. Then next, once we open this file, we need to read it. Okay, so how to read this? So I will first starting reading byte by byte. Okay, so let's have an API that will read from this file pointer byte by byte. Okay, or I will do one thing. I'll create this file first, because this file we will opening for reading. So we will touch this file, then we'll write some data in this file. So I'll take hello from file. This is a text I will store within this file, and I'm going to read from this file. So I have this. Then the API used for reading is, for example, I'll use fgetc. Okay. So this API will read from this file pointer byte by byte. So I'll take a character pointer here, and I'm trying to just print this character. So how to print this? I will take percentage C and next line, or I'll take comma over here. And here we have ch. So let's see what is the first character. So I will gcc file and hyphen o. I will make a binary read from this, and then I'll read it. Okay. So here what I will do, I'll take in next line as well. Oh, sorry. So I will, so I'll take the next line from here. I'll delete this. So you see the first letter from the text file is H of hello. And the second, if I want to take, then what I will take? I will take YY to YY, then I copy this, and then what I will do, I will read the second byte as well. So again, if I do this, we'll get HE. So similarly, if I take this within the loop, so while if I take like this, so we are going to print, okay, I missed this character, okay, ch, okay, then I don't have a condition in while, so so see here, you start reading, and you start stopping. Why it is happen? We have don't have the condition to stop. Okay, so what I will do here, for this file, if this operation hits the last of that text file, there is a macro that we will compare, that is end of file. From here, fget will get an idea. Okay, like we encountered the end of the file, now we have to stop. So if I again compile and run this program, you'll get nothing. Okay, why I am getting nothing? Is not equal to. So if this fget is not equal to e of f, till that time it will print and it will stop after that. So again, you see here, hello from file and this thing. So everything we get here. Okay, so this way I am reading byte by byte. Okay, so what if I want to read line by line? So for that, I need a new type of API, that is fgets. So this will read line by line. For example, if we have this file, so this is the first line. Okay, so if I need to read the second line, then the third line, then the fourth line. So if I take line 4, okay, hello from file. Here we have line 2, sorry, 3. Okay, and here we have line 2 and line 1. Okay, so I have 4 lines right now, each separated by the new line character. So every line have the new line character at the end. Okay, that is not visible, but it would be understood by the APIs. So one, two, three, four, 4 lines are there. So I need to read line by line now. Okay, not byte by byte. Okay. So what I will do, I'll take fgets, then I need a buffer to store that line. Okay. So size of line, and then last I have fv, that is a pointer. Okay. So I'll declare some buffer. So for example, I have character line and I have 100 bytes per line here. And what I have is, so this will read till 100 bytes. So it will start from 0 as it is a part of an array. So what I will do, the size should be size of the line minus 1. So if, and then at last, what I will do, I will print this line. Printf, the line is equal to percentage s. Next line, then we have line. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, then I save it and then I compile it. Then I run. When I run it, I'll get the first line. Okay. So similarly, as we have done in fgetc, we will have this while loop here. So that I will keep on iterate through the lines till we get the end of the file character. So if I again compile it and run it, you will see you will get line one, 2, 3, 4. All the lines are being printed. So if cat text file, you will have the same result here. So this way I'm reading it. So let's do some alteration. Okay. So for example, if my buffer size is 100, I want to make my buffer size 10. Okay. Now every line, this character, this array will take only 10 bytes at a time. It will not hit the end of the line itself because we have more characters. So there is a property of f gets, it will take the 10 bytes, and then in the next iteration it will take the 10 bytes more till it will hit the the next new line character. Okay, so I'll tell you how to do that. So it will not break actually. So if I save it, I will again compile it and then so you see here, it is taking only 9 bytes, and see, this is line 1, 2, 3, 4. So these all iteration we have on this text to make it, clean, but it is not breaking. So that is one of the property. So this is all about reading from a text file. So let's see in the next video. Thanks.